Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So Tesla, this 4-hour chart. Here, I'll just jump to daily real quick. You can see here, still holding against the daily rotation zone. So a little rally up to the rotation zone, and then a collapse back down. Not really a collapse, just a sell-off. Still holding above the 25% level. So nothing's really changed since yesterday. I'm just going to update this. Just gives us just a little stronger cluster with this little reversal bar here. So key 560 is the key level. On a breakout above 560, we'll start watching for 586 and 612. 586, we have a few levels lining up there, so that's one we will not ignore. If we break below about 505, actually we could watch for about 500 to 505. Then we'll start watching for a down move. You can see here we have all moving averages all converging just above 505. If we break below that, there might be some minor support for 87, but we'll really be watching about 476, and then we'll start watching the gap fill down to 434. Those are two key levels to the downside. That's really it. We're just waiting for it to break out either up or down and then trade it in that direction. That's all we have for you on Tesla. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.